Beneath the moonlight, here I stand, thinking of your smile, soft and grand. Your shadow dances in the gentle air, making the night feel warm and fair. Moon will keep my heart tonight, hold the feelings I can't speak right. Through the quiet, through the gentle longing, your light remains, softly comforting.